It's a big day for me, friends. Today, we announce the launch of third channel on YouTube, Finance with DK. Practically, this channel will be dedicated towards the finance for non-finance people so that they understand the finance well. Now, we launched our first channel, K Sinha, on a stock market in Hindi, which covered the very famous tutorial videos under the title Zero to Hero, where the various aspirants of the stock market all across the country and all across the world started learning the subject of technical analysis. And this first channel, K Sinha, was launched in June 2019. Then came the situation where lot many people started demanding for the launch of channel in English language for the global audience and our friends in South India. So we launched the channel called DK on Indian and US stock market with a series of tutorial videos, Zero to Hero in its English version. Now the question arises is why this channel is being launched. The third channel is titled Finance with DK. What is the necessity of this new channel? What are the different topics relating to finance shall be covered in this particular channel step by step as we go along? Let us understand. Necessity of launch of this new channel, Finance with DK, can be best understood when we look at the findings of the Standard & Poor's Global Financial Literacy Survey, which was the largest ever survey done across the world, covering 140 countries with a sample size of 150,000 people. That, in fact, was the most comprehensive survey done by any organization across the world. And that indicated extremely poor financial literacy all over the world. If we look at the key highlights of this survey, it indicated low levels of financial literacy around the world. Secondly, it indicated that inflation was the concept which was best understood in the world. And third was risk diversification, which was the least understood concept in the finance. The women's literacy was found to be poorer than men's literacy, and the young generation was most vulnerable group, and hence they are the target group to for financial education program towards financial literacy. The survey also indicated that only 33% of the adults worldwide are financially literate, while in USA it is 57% against the 33% the global data, while the 35% of the men are literate and only 30% women are literate all over the world. I think you might have realized why there is a necessity of this third channel, Finance with DK. So now let us understand what are the topics that we'll be covering in this new channel, Finance with DK. So this new channel, Finance with DK, will cover the topics relating to mutual funds, insurance, financial markets, fundamental analysis of the stock market, technical analysis of the financial market. So friends, if you closely analyze why there is a poor financial literacy rate in the world, it is simply because we in our childhood are taught to get education, get degrees and qualifications, and start earning money. But we are hardly taught as to how money should be managed to create wealth, and not only the create wealth, but any kind of right selection of the financial instruments that has the ability to beat the inflation. So this new channel launched by us is a small attempt towards educating our viewers. Friends, do not forget to subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever we come up with the videos, you are notified and don't miss out the very important topic which will result into finally financial literacy. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very, very soon.